Welcome to Great Life Zone channel. Here are a few powerful tips which you must follow if you want to attract abundance in your life. By following these simple tips with belief and sincerity, you can get the help from universe to reshape your life and perspective towards better. These are a few basic but most important tips. Always be thankful. Let your day begin with gratitude. Throughout the day, be thankful for anything and everything that you get, receive or use and what you already have. In addition to all the good things you notice around, be thankful. Let us take a few examples. In the morning, when you get up and go to the window and see the sun, be thankful for the sun having risen in the sky, giving you a fresh day. Be grateful for the fresh air which you are filling your lungs with. Be grateful for the birds flying around and chirping. Next, when you go to the bathroom, be grateful for the abundant supply of water. Express your thanks to the people who made soap and shampoos. Once you become regular at this, abundance starts to flow in. Initially, it is the trickle and then it becomes amazingly enormous. Dream of abundance. Everything happens twice. Once in the mind of the person and then in the physical reality of the life of the person. It is first the dream or an idea in the mind of the person. So dare to dream big and believe that it is possible. Be specific and clear of what you want. It is asking someone to do something for you. If you are specific, you will get the person to do exactly what you want. If you are ambiguous, there is no surety of the action to be taken by the other person exactly on the lines desired by you. Same is the case while communicating with the universe. Be clear of what you want in specific terms. Believe that you are worthy of it and you can get it. Believe in the abundance of the universe. Express gratitude for what you already have. Maintain focus on your desire and work for it in a planned manner. Change your mindset if needed. Rich believe that there is money, prosperity and abundance in the world. In sharp contrast, poor and mediocre people believe in the world of limitation. Those who struggle to receive riches think there is not enough to go around in the world. This is based on the fear-based mindset. Their choices in life are either or, but never both. In a poor person's mindset, they go for financial security above love, enjoying life and spending well. When you build your life on the and mentality rather than choose only one, you will see opportunities that you were once blind to. So change your mindset from being a fear-based thinker to attract in your life what you want. Focus on what you do have or what you want to have with the underlying feeling of abundance and not scarcity. Respect money, love money. It is believed that everything is made up of energy and energy vibrates. This means money too is energy and intelligent energy. If you are experiencing lack of abundance, did you check if you have disrespect for money? Just reverse it and start showing respect for money. Begin to love money and you will notice that money also loves you and you may start attracting more money in your life. If your purse or wallet is beaten up, it is time to change it. Not only will your new wallet or purse energetically support you, but it will also send a clear message to the universe that you are ready to receive more money effortlessly. For the abundance in life, do affirmations. Affirmation is recognized to be a powerful system to bring in desired change in the mind and physiology of a person. For a long time now, many athletes competing at national and international levels use affirmations to perform better and boost their confidence. For you, we have already many videos of affirmations to attract money, wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Do visualization to attract abundance. Affirmations, when combined with visualization, are a very powerful method to attract anything positive that you desire in life. Take a few minutes off every day to visualize yourself already having abundance and attracting more of it. Visualize you are living a life of prosperity. This creates in your body a new and vibrant energy of possibility. Act and feel as if you are already living in abundance. Allow abundance to flow into your life. Master the art of receiving it and do not hold on to your money too tightly. When you hold on to your money too tightly, you give money power over you. This leads to generation of scarcity thoughts in your mind, and this in turn interferes with the flow of abundance of money in your life. Do not compete and do not envy others. This is the other aspect of abundance. It means that when you get more, someone else doesn't get less. When someone else gets more, you don't get less. Universal pie is ever increasing and expanding in endless cycles. Therefore, do not be jealous of others' progress and prosperity. Do not desire more in comparison with others. Just seek what you want. In other words, want more for others too and pray for abundance in their lives too. Replace your thought patterns of fear and lack with abundance. To attract in your life what you want, focus on what you do have or what you want to have with the underlying feelings of abundance and not scarcity. In other words, do not focus on what you don't have. This sends wrong signals to universe that this is what you want. Begin to see that money is just a means of exchange. It is also a form of energy. Your frequency of thoughts will attract the energy of same frequency. So every time you say that's too expensive, I can't afford it, or I don't have enough money, you attract the same kind of energy. Therefore, reframe it to feel better within your heart and attract abundance at the same time. Sometimes replacing your fears with positive thoughts is the best way to transform the energy. Practice these well-tried and proven methods and bring in abundance, prosperity, and money and happiness in your life. It is quite possible for everyone to attract abundance and live the life of abundance they desire. By following simple steps mentioned, practice them daily and make them part of your daily habit. You will start to see good things are coming your way. Right opportunities will come to you and the abundance will be everywhere. I hope you will find this video useful. You may like to read the detailed article with more suggestions on this subject. We have given the link in the description box below. Please do share and like this video. I would also urge you to visit our website and also do get connected with our social media accounts. The links to our social media pages are on your screen now. We keep putting up useful videos, articles on our website and also Facebook page. We would love to see and respond to your comments, suggestions and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.